Why you should start affiliate marketing. In today's digital age, more and more people are searching for ways to make money online. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a college student, or simply someone looking to escape the 9 to 5 grind, affiliate marketing has become one of the most powerful and accessible methods for building a sustainable online income. But why should you start affiliate marketing? Let's explore the reasons and how this digital marketing strategy can help you unlock long-term financial freedom. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a performance-based business model where you promote other people's or a company's products or services and earn a commission for each sale, lead, or action generated through your unique affiliate link. Think of it as a referral business in the digital world. For example, if you share a link to a product and someone buys it through your link, you earn a commission, sometimes as high as 50% to 75% depending on the affiliate program. Why start affiliate marketing? Here are the 5 reasons you should start in affiliate marketing. Number 1. Low startup costs. Unlike launching a physical business, you don't need to invest thousands of dollars in inventory or product development. Most affiliate programs are free to join, and all you need to get started is a laptop, internet connection, and a strategy. Number 2. Work from anywhere. One of the top make money online tips and guides is to find a business model that offers flexibility. With affiliate marketing, you're not tied to any specific location. Whether you're at home, traveling, or sitting in a cafe, your business moves with you. Number 3. No need to create products. Creating products takes time, effort, and expertise. With affiliate marketing, you skip all that. You simply find high-converting products or services created by others and focus on promoting them. Number 4. Unlimited earning potential. With the right traffic, content, and offers, there's no cap on how much you can earn. Many successful affiliate marketers make 6 to 7 figures annually, all through digital marketing strategies. Number 5. Passive income. One of the biggest appeals of affiliate marketing is its potential to generate passive income. Once you've created content like blog posts, videos, or email funnels, they can continue to drive traffic and generate commissions for months or even years. How affiliate marketing helps you make money online. Affiliate marketing blends seamlessly with many make money online models. Here are 5 examples. Number 1. Blogging. Add affiliate links to product reviews or how-to articles. Number 2. YouTube. Recommend tools or services in your video descriptions. Number 3. Social media. Promote products through Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook. Number 4. Email marketing. Send helpful recommendations to your subscribers with affiliate links. Number 5. SEO and content marketing. Drive organic traffic that converts into affiliate sales. Each of these methods works as part of a broader digital marketing strategy to help you build a sustainable online income. Top tips to succeed in affiliate marketing. Want to thrive in affiliate marketing? Follow these make money online tips and guides. 1. Choose the right niche. Focus on a niche you're passionate about and that has a strong market demand. 2. Promote quality products. Only recommend products you believe in to build trust with your audience. 3. Create high-value content. Solve problems, answer questions, and provide insights that attract and convert. 4. Use SEO strategies. Optimize your content to rank on Google and drive long-term organic traffic. 5. Build an email list. Email marketing remains one of the highest converting digital tools for affiliate sales. 6. Track and optimize. Use tools like Google Analytics or affiliate dashboards to monitor what's working and tweak accordingly. Common affiliate marketing myths. Busted. Here are 3 common misconceptions about affiliate marketing. 1. It's too late to start. Well, that is false. The industry continues to grow, with new niches and platforms emerging regularly. 2. You need a huge following. Also not true. Micro-influencers and niche bloggers often see high conversion rates with smaller, more engaged audiences. 3. Affiliate marketing is a scam. No, affiliate marketing is not a scam. It's a legitimate business model used by major brands like Amazon, Walmart, and Shopify. In conclusion, is affiliate marketing right for you? If you're looking for a smart, scalable way to make money online, affiliate marketing is one of the best options available. It offers flexibility, low startup costs, and the potential to build long-term passive income using proven digital marketing methods. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned entrepreneur, affiliate marketing allows you to create value for others while earning commissions without needing to develop or ship products yourself. If you're serious about building an online income stream, now is the time to start. Dive into affiliate marketing today and take your first step toward financial freedom. Are you ready to get started? Explore beginner-friendly affiliate platforms like 1. JaveZoo, 2. Warrior Plus, 3. Amazon Associates, 4. ClickBank, 5. Digistore24, 6. Share A Sale, 7. PartnerStack, 8. Commission Junction. And remember, success in affiliate marketing doesn't come overnight, but with consistency and the right guidance, it's absolutely achievable. You want to learn how I make $1,000 a day with no stress? Go to the link in the description below. It is easier to make $1,000 a day than you think.